was fixing the seat. We'll see how that it is.
My lip fucking leaking. You to my bro, you need to go to the hospital, bro. You need to go to no motherfucking hospital.
This way, this way. Easy. And to ease up the clutches. Don't give it no gas to let the clutch go. And you start rolling. Let the clutch always go. Stop going faster. Come on, a little bit. There you go. Put one of your feet up. Yeah, there you go. So the boy had to ride in 5 minutes. That boy done learn how to ride, it's over with. Bike life, that's too.
Look, Mom, I figured it out.
We just run into the gate.